Hello everybody, my name is Gustavo Riedel and I've just presented the last year's Wonder edition from Universities for Gold 13. Our project was about decommissioning oil and gas offshore platforms to more sustainable ideas and other aspects that could develop a more sustainable community in decommissioned platforms. It was really wonderful to develop this idea. It was the first time that I've actually engaged in a project that was beside something for the college itself and something like more greater that just not results in a grade in the end of the semester. Now we are developing some more multi-attributes to better balance the triple bottom line, which would be planet, profit, and people, and mapping more the environmental impacts that decommissioning has on the environment.